Good morning. It has been 3 months since we have seen the apartment, and we're going to go inside and see the progress of the apartment. Next time we will see the apartment when it's finished. We cannot come back anymore. Very excited to see the progress of the apartment, being here again, and just very excited to know that the next time it will be with the keys of the apartment. Let's see inside. We have an appointment in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I guess.
9.
9. Okay, 9 minutes. And this is the first time you see it,
Yes.
the inside. Yeah, you will see it a lot. Do you like the area?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
You like Villajoyosa?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Good choice.
Good choice. Okay, let's go. So this is the kitchen area, and there you have the high ceiling, very high ceiling, with a large terrace. Explained it last time, but this is the living room and the kitchen with a long window. And then here on the side you have bedrooms, very big, and then with a bathroom. So this is the entrance of the bedroom with the closet here, and then here 2 beds. So that was the apartment in progress. The walls were closed up now, and we had more a visual idea of the apartment. So next time it will be finished. So now we're going to Villajoyosa. We're going to stroll there, soak up a little bit of sunshine, because this evening we have to leave. So we are at the restaurant Le Font. We are in the sunshine, and we are already burned of the last 3 days, and we will still be burned now if we are sitting here in the sun. But it's so good, the winter sun. Everybody is going to say, "Wow, you are burned. That's not from Belgium." We're going to eat something and then head back to the airport. Chicken hamburger. You have steak.
Yes.
With frites, with frites,
Frites.
with fries and salad, and you have bacon,
Cheese.
and cheese. So this is a small nature area on the side of the apartment. The tower there is called La Maladetta. We're going to walk until the tower, and on the foot of the tower it's ruins of a shrine. There's a proof that Villajoyosa was really big in Roman times. It was really important. Everywhere you go around Villajoyosa, you see excavations of Roman things. They are now excavating a piece of Roman baths, and I guess they started in 2022, and I guess it will take like 2 years before it will be open for public. So yeah, later on we will visit that, I'm sure, because I'm crazy about the Roman times.